We got one fender on. One to go. You take out these bolts down here. I cut my fender along this ridge. On the other side, there's a ridge. Cut it down. The instructions are pretty clear. I always cut mine here so you can pull this back, take those bolts out. And then you'll have to trim this inner fender more than they say. I've done these a few sets. You always have to cut more than they say. But that took about 50 minutes to do one side. I've never done a YJ. TJs are pretty much the same, but a little bit different. Last side done. Now just to wire the blinkers, paint the underside of it, connect the inner fenders, and it's good to go. Drill your holes. Still gotta drill the holes to connect the inner fenders with the bolts just so they're not loose.